Yesterday evening when I was crossing from from Switzerland to Italy on the Swiss-Italian border, and I got asked to open the trunk. Well, it didn't open. It was blocked, and it just wouldn't nudge, not a single bit. I tried everything. I tried opening with the key fob. It just simply would not open. It was blocked. I don't know why. I don't know in what way I blocked it, but I did. I tried looking up on YouTube how to fix it. No idea. And I've actually figured it out. So hopefully this can save somebody an awkward moment during patrols or doing checks. See that little slit right over here? You're gonna put your key fob in it. You're gonna slide it to the left. And you're gonna push out. Just like that. So let's just see that once more. You're entering from the inside, of course, because your fucking trunk does not open. Get into the booth. Key fob in, left, push out.